Hi, welcome back guys. Today we are talking about how to lock a Discord voice channel. If you want to make a voice channel exclusive to specific members, you need to lock it and make it private so other members who don't have access can't enter that specific voice channel. So today I am going to show you how to lock a voice channel on Discord. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open your Discord application. Then I will go to the server that I own to show you how to lock channel. Now let's try locking this study channel. Long press the channel and a menu will appear. Here, just tap on this edit channel option. In this page, tap on channel permissions. Now I will show you two ways of locking a voice channel. First one is by turning on this private channel feature. Click this button and in this prompt, just tap on yes to make this channel private. Below, you can add members that you want to have access to this channel. Once done adding members, go back to the servers page. And as you can see, there is a padlock at the upper right side of the speaker icon, which means that this voice channel is locked. Now let's do the other way. Go back to the channel settings and tap on channel permissions. Turn off this private channel feature, tap on yes, and now go to advanced view. Here, tap on everyone. In this page, you need to disable disconnect feature. Once done, go back to the server page and you can see that it is also locked. In members perspective, this icon will only be a padlock icon without a speaker. Since I am the owner of this server, the icon that you will see before the name of the private channel is a speaker and a padlock icon. There you go. If you wanted to know how to lock a Discord voice channel, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to lock a Discord voice channel, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.